This grandma's recipe impressed everyone. A healthy and simple dinner. For this recipe, we'll need 700 grams of potatoes. Start by cutting them into medium pieces. Then put them in a pot. Add water to cover, and then let them cook for 15 minutes. Tell me which of Grandma's recipes you've already tried at home. I'd love to know. Drain the water and then transfer the potatoes to a bowl. Then mash the potatoes. Season it with salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Add 60 grams of mozzarella and stir it to combine. Once this is done, take a small portion of the dough with your hands and roll it into balls. With the help of a glass, press the center of each ball, leaving it this way. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is from Margaret Meany from Brisbane, Australia. I'm glad to hear you're loving our recipes. And bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. In the meantime, chop 1 onion, half a green bell pepper, and half of a red bell pepper. We're also going to use 3 chicken breasts. Dice them. In a pan, add a drizzle of olive oil, the onion, the chicken, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and stir to combine. Add the bell peppers and stir it together. Add this chicken mixture with the baked potatoes. Add mozzarella on top and put it back in the oven until the cheese melts. And our recipe is ready. Add some parsley on top, but that's optional. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.